Apps have exploded and are now a huge part of our lives. Apps are everywhere. Well, almost everywhere. Sure, we use our mobile devices more and more, but don't we spend the biggest chunk of our time in our inbox, as well as crafting documents or crunching the numbers in a spreadsheet, and then sharing them using mails and sites with each other so we can collaborate and get things done? Imagine this: viewing Excel data in a Bing map, or in a custom interactive graph right within your spreadsheet. Apps for Office and SharePoint extend and personalize the way we create and consume information. The possibilities are limitless. So the question is, who's going to fill this gap in the tools we use every day? That's where you as a developer come in. You can build those apps using any web standards, your favorite web development tools, and any hosting environment to run and deploy your app. Now you're probably wondering, if I build them, will they come? The answer is yes. You can publish apps on the new Office Store and soon reach hundreds of millions of users. Think about this: one copy of Office is sold worldwide every second. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your very own app today.